Hello, my crafty friends. Well, today I'm going to show you how to create 7 different cards using just one 12 by 12 inch piece of pattern paper. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, I have 7 different card ideas to share with you that actually feature a one sheet wonder template. So I'm going to share the template and then I'll walk you through how to put together these cards. Now, the cards in this video feature the Amber Autumn bundle from Stampin Up. And this particular bundle has a stamp set and a coordinating die set. However, we're just going to be using the greeting from this particular stamp set to create these cards. I am also using one of the traditional labels dies, and of course, I'm using some of the new pattern papers from the Stampin Up Holiday Mini Catalog. But you can use whatever supplies you have on hand to create your 7 cards. So the first thing you will need for this one sheet wonder is a 12 by 12 inch piece of pattern paper. So I have one of the new pattern papers from the Stampin Up Mini Catalog, the Holiday Mini that just came out. And it has a set of pumpkins, just a really fun little design on the front. And then it is double-sided. So on the back, it has this kind of more subtle pattern. So I'm going to show you how to cut up this paper, and we're actually going to use both sides of the paper to create our 7 cards. So for this one sheet wonder, I have put together a cutting template, and you can get this template by downloading the tutorial, which I have featured in the description with this video. So I'm going to walk you through how to use this template and how to use this cutting guide to cut up your pattern paper. So the first thing you want to do is just place your paper in your paper trimmer, and you're going to line it up at the 4-inch mark. So we're going to cut 3 pieces that are 4 by 12 inches. Once you have all 3 of your pieces, then you are ready to use that template to cut the additional pieces. So we're going to take one of the 4 by 12 inch pieces, and now we're going to cut some smaller pieces. So we're going to cut the first one at 1.5, and then we're going to cut a 1-inch piece, and another 1-inch piece. And then this one will be 2.25 inches. And then we will cut another 1-inch piece. And then you will be left with a 5.25 inch piece. So that is the first column on our template. Now we're going to move over to the second column of our template, and we're going to cut these additional pieces. So we're going to take our 4 by 12 inch piece, and we're going to slide it in, and the first cut we're going to make is 3.75 inches. The next one we're going to make is a 5.25 inch cut. And then we'll be left with a 4 by 3 inch piece. But this 5.25 inch piece, we're actually going to cut again. So we're just going to place the 4-inch side at the top of our trimmer, and we're just going to cut off a piece that's 1.5 inches. So we'll have a 1.5 and a 2.5. And so that way you can flip these 2 over and use these together to create a card. Now let's go ahead and cut our last piece. We're going to use the last column of this template. And so the first thing we'll do is just cut a 5.25 inch piece. And then let's just take that 5.25 right away and cut it in half. So put the 4-inch side at the top, cut it in half at 2 inches. And we'll take the remainder of our piece here, and we'll cut it at 2.75 inches. And then this remaining piece here is going to be a 4 by 4. So we're just going to cut 1 inch off of each end. So we'll just cut 1 inch here And then we'll cut the inch off here. So you'll end up with 2 pieces that are 1 by 4, and the middle piece will be 2 by 4, and we'll use this on 1 card. All right, so the next thing I did is just created all of my card bases and the extra pieces that I'm going to use to decorate the cards. So I have 7 card bases, which are your A2 size card base. So they're 5.5 by 8.5, scored in the middle at 4 1/4 inches. So I have 7 of them in early espresso. And then I just cut some pieces of very vanilla cardstock for the inside of the cards. So these pieces are just 4 by 5 1/4. And then for 2 of the cards, I did some embossing for the background. So I have a 5 1/4 by 4 inch piece of very vanilla. And I just embossed this with the new Gathering Leaves embossing folder. And the only other pieces I needed was a piece of early espresso cardstock, which is 4 1/4 by 3 inches. And then I just have a little scrap piece of early espresso, which is a 1/2 inch by 4. So these are the main pieces that I wanted to get ready before we start putting together the cards. And then of course, I just created all of my little greetings right away. So I like to just kind of prep all the supplies and have it all ready to go so that we can put the cards together quickly. All right, so now that we have all of our supplies ready, what I'm going to do is just take the pieces that I cut from the One Sheet Wonder template, and I'm going to just lay them on top of a card base so that I can organize all my pieces and that I'm ready to go with putting the cards together. So you'll just want to grab your template, and we're going to start with that first column, and we're just going to add our pieces. So the template is labeled by card, so you can easily find the pieces that you need for your cards just simply by looking at the template. So the very first piece that we cut was a 1 1/2 by 4, and then we had a 1 by 4, and I'm just going to flip it over and use the other side. And then we had a 4 by 2 1/4 inch piece. So this is what will be for the first card, and then we'll put our little greeting on there. And then the second card is just a 1 by 4, so we'll flip that over. We have another 1 by 4, and then we have a 4 by 3 inch piece. So this will be the layout for card number 2. Card number 3 is just that 5 1/4 by 4 inch piece. And for this card, this is where we're going to use that 1/2 inch by 4 inch piece. And then we need a greeting. And card number 4, we are going to take the 4 by 3 3/4 inch piece, and that's actually going to get flipped over and be our background. And then we're going to take one of the 2 by 5 1/4 inch pieces and add that, and our greeting. Card number 5 is simply going to be that 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece that we cut. So this is a 1 1/2 inch wide piece, and this is 2 1/2. And we're just going to flip that over, and that's going to be the layout for card number 5. Then card number 6, this is where we're going to add some of our embossed cardstock. So we'll add that embossed, very vanilla cardstock. Then we're going to use this 2 by 5 1/4 inch piece. That's going to go on top here. And then we're going to use this piece of early espresso, which is 3 by 4 1/4 inches. And it's going to get matted out with this piece of pattern paper, which is 4 by 2 3/4 inches. So that will be card number 6. And then card number 7, we will use the last piece of embossed, very vanilla cardstock and these remaining pieces. So these pieces are just going to get flipped over. We'll use the front and the back. So remember, this is the 1 by 4. These two are 1 by 4. and this one is 2x4. And then this will have a little greeting. All right, so now that you have all the pieces that are together with each of the cards, all you have to do is adhere everything together to create the 7 different cards. And you can embellish them with any additional supplies that you have on hand. So be sure to download the tutorial so that you can get the template and the pictures of all the finished cards that I created with this One Sheet Wonder template. Okay, so there you go. Now you have a One Sheet Wonder template that you can use to create 7 cards with any pattern paper or supplies that you have on hand. And if you enjoyed these card ideas, feel free to download the printable tutorial. You can find the link in the description below this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave me a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the cards shared here today. Have a fun and creative day, my friends. Take care.